Hi everyone, it's Michael on YouTube, and today I'm very excited because I want to go over my gold strategy, a strategy that has brought me a lot of success that I want to pass on to you guys, because I believe that gold is one of the easiest to work with and easiest to analyze the underlying asset that is offered on the binary option platforms. So as you all know, gold is offered on the binary option platforms, and you can trade it for as low as $5 on some broker platforms, and with some platforms you can trade it for $25. So many retail traders who once used to trade gold for thousands of dollars can now trade it for lower amounts for high returns on short time frames with binary option platforms. And in previous videos I emphasized the importance of focusing on one or two assets, and I think that is very important, especially with gold, because gold is an asset that is very easy to analyze. And I can tell you that, for example, with my signals group, where subscribers receive my signals, some days I focus mainly on gold. For the entire session I'll just send signals for gold, and some days I manage to pull 90% to 100% in the money rate just by following the gold option while there was a clear uptrend. And I want to go over some of the market indicators that can help you spot the right time to enter a trend. So I want to break it down to you in a way that combines technical and fundamental analysis. So first we have to ask ourselves, what makes gold tick? What makes the price change? So if you look at history, in 1970 the price of gold was only $37 per ounce, while now it's over $1,000. So gradually over the years we can spot a constant uptrend. However, it doesn't help us much when it comes to short-term trading. So we know that what affects gold is scarcity, supply, and uncertainty. Now, uncertainty is the key, because if you notice, for example, at the end of 2011, while the media was all about the financial crisis and the big depression that's happening, and how the US is going to recover from all the wars and the military expenses, before all the talks shifted to Syria and the Middle East, there was a great deal of fear, and during that time the price of gold spiked. So we know that uncertainty is a driven force for a gold uptrend. It's probably the best indicator. Now when it comes to binary options, the main benefit is that you can trade all day long. Every 30 minutes you can enter a $100 trade and ride the trend all day. So for me, I think that a smart investor would be an investor that can wait a few days and not trade at all, and then one day just ride the trend and trade 10 times with $100, $200 and make a few $1,000s in one day, riding the trend, riding a safe trend. Now I want to go back to uncertainty, because obviously this is the major indicator that helps us spot an uptrend with the gold option. So the first thing you need to look out for is the US dollar, because the US dollar and gold are negatively correlated. So when the US dollar underperforms, the gold price tends to increase. Now the second thing you should look out for is for when the Feds lower interest rates, because when they lower interest rate to promote trade between banks, they lower the price of dollar and increase the price of gold. So instead of letting the Feds follow you and stock you all day, you can follow them and make some profits while you're at it. Now just like in 2011 and 2012 with a big commotion on the financial crisis and the spendings and the deficit, which increased the price of gold, you have to look for commotion for all the media publications, and what people are saying in the media is the public afraid of what's happening, is there uncertainty, and you have to kind of like analyze the market in that sense and see if there is a growing fear in the market, which always drives the price of gold up. And these types of trends can happen for days at a time. And I'm not talking about 60 seconds trades. Don't try to analyze the market in this way. Now, I want to also combine this strategy with an indicator that will help you reaffirm the uptrend and also protect you from any potential reversals, which is why I believe that the MACD is the perfect technical analysis that works with the gold strategy on short-term trading, and you can use this strategy for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. On my blog I will post a complete article and give you some more information on the MACD indicator and how to use it on free charting solutions, and it's very simple and it's a very profitable strategy. I use it very often. I use it in my signals group. So when you master the strategy, you can get to my level and even get better if you focus mainly on gold and really put your mind into it. So check out the strategy, and if you have any comments or questions, you're welcome to comment below this video or email me at tradingbinaryonline@gmail.com. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.